Welcome to the Gnome Home. In my pursuit to try to heat this greenhouse as efficiently as possible, I have tried paint cans with alcohol as the fuel. I've tried to make a heater out of an old toolbox and some dryer venting, but I think that I have found the solution to all of my problems here in this box. So rather than heating with electricity, which is going to be very costly, or the DIY heaters that you can make with paint cans and alcohol as the fuel, or trying to use candles and terracotta pots or some other kind of concoction to heat this space, I am going to heat it with wood. Since I do a little bit of woodworking on the side and I'm not very good at it, I end up with a lot of scrap that I can burn, which is all free since I have also collected a lot of pallets. So we've ordered this Vevor tent wood stove. So we're going to assemble it and set it up and see how it will do. Alright, so it does come with a couple of tools. So you get a little wrench here and an Allen key, because we always need Allen keys. So before we put a hole into our wall, we're going to need something to set this on that isn't necessarily flammable. So I'm going to go and get a patio slab or some bricks or something. Alright, so we had a couple of broken patio slabs, so I'm just going to use those right now. And then eventually we will maybe brick this up so that it will retain a little bit more heat. But we're going to trace out where we want our pipe to head out of the wall. So the next part I've got to go outside for, but it's too cold for my camera, so do that and then I'll come back in and we'll get a little fire going in here. So I'm going to let this burn. It's actually giving off quite a good amount of heat now, so we'll let it burn. We'll keep it going, and then I will give you an update on how well it has done to heat the greenhouse. Here with the final review. Unfortunately, I can't give you an update on how well it did to heat up the greenhouse because, as you'll see, the glass cracked and the top of the stove completely melted away. So from Vevor, this is one of the most unsafe products I have ever seen, and is going to cause a lot of fires. So please do not buy this stove.